Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Subaru Legacy headlight using an easy method. First, let's prepare. You'll need a few basic tools like a screwdriver and, of course, your new headlight bulb. Make sure your car is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. It's also important to know your specific Subaru Legacy's bulb type, which could be an H11 or a 9005, for example. Now, let's get to the bulb. For many Subaru Legacy models, the easiest way is through the wheel well. Turn your front wheel all the way to the side, then gently pull back or partially remove the inner fender splash shield. This will give you a clear view of the headlight assembly. Next, find the circular weather cap on the back and rotate it counterclockwise to remove it. With the cap off, you'll see the electrical connector. Gently pinch and pull to disconnect it from the old bulb. Then, locate the wire bail or retaining spring that holds the bulb. Press it inward and swing it out of the way. Now, carefully remove the old bulb. When inserting the new one, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Almost done. Secure the new bulb by swinging the wire bail back into place and firmly reattach the electrical connector. Next, put the weather cap back on, twisting it clockwise until it's sealed tightly. Before you fully reassemble the wheel well, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, replace the splash shield and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.